very good morning. Very good morning. Very good morning. Good morning. Good morning, good people. Good morning, Ghana. And good morning, Africa. Good morning. Maybe I will be my chair. Dear. You're very sure, and Yawada. And Drew Yawada say, well, let me say, Adom. I don't want to curse the day which I was born. Jume emun sam ya mede hente ya na me boa me pese utimiti na utine ye Busia nyina ya wa dance de bidi maniema etotoye no ya yentumi kan kire nipa se o ye wadwene se wo kan kire nipa nipa be kwa kan kire nkrofo bebre na fede wanim aguase na so ye wo donfo mobrohomfo ntemginafo a obebu Maria ba Yesu Kristo ono de ode no beba afode prekope ede maame de bonye ne yawo Owusu-Ansah. He sacrificed his life so that I can be a child of God and I can draw closer to God in all my challenges, my pain, my agony, my shame, and my disgrace. Good morning. And that is the Jesus that I introduced to you. Owusu-Ansah, I love this song. God, I thank you for what you have done for me. Mama Facebook, thank God for the gift of life. We bless God. You are dancing, be our CAD. Hey, done it before. He will do it again. He will do it again. Again. Yeah. Yes, I agree with you, Celestine Duncan. He has done it before, he will do it again. And I know about your chain, come on. What do you say, Drew Yawada? I get hot messages. My man, you know, conquer, cranker, cry, but I'm telling you, next dimension. Ura Yesu Kristo na daroma oso bisi na safo na samado apono ntimi ntwimfa so This is a good music for every parent. About time bia mama bia papa bia eye wodwom Found the Abia to a bushia, Abiana Bibia at to a bushia, and until we dress Munia dance ye be the Abusia, you are dance ye beer as I say ye dear, and found the atria. Oko me cromwa, Yabusiamo, Miniaba, Maba, Koda Formoa, or Steven, I could see a Siama Ajama. And the next week in Yamea Domoa. See a tea in Suta Kwama, you cry and Fansuta no crank. Kwama, such a Kwama. Tiabusianfo ni nyina me mamu nyina shaden. Solomon oye adwuma o total. Ja Steven akwasi asiama German. Bebre no se citizen akwasi. No general manager our Ghana Cooperative and Credit Union. Hono ye juma BB companies bebre that they are some of my Ghana. I honor to you, Jesus. Eti mamensa shanjumi ya sibio na meba. Because all goodness are Jono, the monster. Ababawa very young intelligent mother oye jumanso baby a betimia edi hon komo kakra woman chain mamen kenka we kakra Hebrew form manetia eye edumiensa ose onuado entena hoda. It is a mesebe do now so domia twekronkron se momai onuado no entena hoda. To be a timid doy one, a becker crana fe yababa ya tamfo. But Bible no say ma unuado entena hoda. And your boyfriend and girlfriend matter. And you're gay. And you're lesbian. Unuado. Brotherly love. Was a woman unuado entena hoda. Ahoyan so mamma mo any empaso. How to be hospitable. Was it a nice wo ye ubia wutime jubi na uye ni ye. Nti moma mo eni empa eso na moma mo eni empa so eya hohoye. If we say yesu na ebinum nam ye abofo hoho no mo eni enneso. Nti osi eno na ebinum ye ya kwaye abofo mpo papa no mu nim so mo ya abofo. Enti onyankopon nam na asem so na etu ye fo se omo nuado ntena hoda. It is a good baby. Oh, Owusu-Ansah na me dona say. No, I'm my favorite pastor, but baby, not just an order. Bible does say, "Momo nuado ntena hoda." Ti udo bia obe oni sintoye, obe oni mreye. Ba Bible no say, "Momo nuado ntena hoda." Aho yenso so, mama moni so mpaso. If they say, "Bibi no mo ye ya koye abofo mpo papa no mo nim say omo ye abofo." If you want to say monkai eniduafo said the money one ena eda efiase anyone wahunu amane biara one wahunu amane biara Princess Zauti asere one wahunu amane biara it was obi one wahunu amane but on the prison one said anya wadamfo one said anya onua na so twere na say mo hunu amane obi hunu amane. As I talk to you, somebody is suffering in a certain situation who needed somebody to stand in for him or for her. Hebrews chapter 13, the verse number 3 is Monkai in the diafo, why specific one of the prison. Monkai warnum. Said ye money warnum and a day fiase. Into one da prison da. Never was say. Ya what to say dear, ya Joe fa who dear fluensem, and then nti would share now the kai wunu bia or that prison. Ya nonko. We was say anyone hunu amani biara. No, he is going through some suffering. Who need your attention? Who need my attention? Bijira saa sen so emo akwaba eba dwumadie so Facebook for more twere na menya bre na makenkan bi but more twere so scripture na makenkan you know I want you to look at it, zoom in and zoom out of this scripture. Erade me da se wa ma de papa chien bijaa me ne metiefo nyina eba wanim yeda wa se nsuo toyi nyina na wa me yatima afamu aba or the princess namwa nko ye duru temampo sa de naba ogunu ho ani mu asepoto na so we rade ada roma wo de naba be kayensa yeda wa se hye wani monyam ijaye ho ebio ba wanim se dome ne boa yen na mefo ne papafo ejanom ne na bia mo tie bia fa onsa kronkron fato onso ene edai ijaye mampanyini ene ya hemfo enyina de ba wonim se hwe yeso ne boaye ya posi fo ene ya sojafo ya kuafo ya kyerɛkyerɛfo ne wana wono eye nurse fo ne adokotafo erade dom wo nyina ne boa wo nyina ne kan bia ho na we nyina mayenia wonim se enya de a yebetimi afa wurade waseda adida biarada yewra Jesus Christ edimo ena mebo empire. Amen. And amen. Amen. All right. Busiafo ene makacho se mewo ababa wa ebi ohanom a meneno bo enkomo kakra enkomo a eho no. Auntie Rose, good morning. Auntie Rose be mama ode jumasi ya na nyame fro say ode obo abo ankrofo sa for all these years. Princess.
Yes, sir.
Now what to say?
Now go pardon.
Okay. All right. I know you're a tower.
Princess.
Okay.
Princess is fine.
And you're fine, cry.
It's okay.
Yeah. All right. I just saw this one. My head busy. Convention I'm here in Tiama. Also the message cry. I could not read through. Yeah, so it's cool.
Thank you.
All right. Okay. All right. Yeah, good morning.
Municipal Assembly. Nipa na ye beka ne ho asema no pe baby I would say.
Okay. And so municipal assembly crown mo dwuma pa na say.
Oh, municipal assembly there ejuma bebre wo ho.
Okay.
So many departments.
Okay.
My department here back on. Your works department, your immigration. So your municipal immigration by a district on immigration.
I see.
Your the coordinating directors office. The social welfare and community development, environmental,
what was the last week? Na me kasa me fa municipal for Abaha. Now yeah, discussions about the cerebral palsy and disabled people in the community.
Yes.
Into where what by idea? Yeah, the bawaso. What be nkwa de yeah the be Owusu-Ansah na we free hako. Okay, and we university and our chassis and answer
me service and after service no me chassis.
Okay, right. That's one. It's a department no more day.
So far there was so many cover leaves.
Okay.
We take care of the vulnerable. The vulnerable that, as you mentioned, they are the disabled. The disabled is part of them.
Okay.
We have mental illness people. We have aged in the community are also vulnerable. Women and children in the communities are also considered as vulnerable people. And then we also take care of missing children. When missing children are found, the police refer them to us. And then one of the main things we do is about family. When a father refuses to take care of his family, the mother brings
yeah, ubeti na ketwi aka ho.
Me pa chan say ebia eja enya na sede wo fie a Mammy to me the neighbor, send a bear, you be shen so be shen ma. And because Encolano, a buy a japadi. And so one shem colaya, even so be brave, a ba. Which doesn't only affect the family but affects the community as a whole.
Yeah.
And then equally with the father, if you also are having issues with how a mother is taking care of the children at home and all that, you can also come to us because we are
oba na tete me
patron also betimi de no aba na yahwe aka. And because of decentralization, and social welfare can be found in every district, every municipal, and every metropolitan.
It's Ghana for him say Ghana for Ankasa. Just say most of my BB we are more Ghana for Ankasa. Umunim say municipal no. It's more Jumeni.
Pacho ebinum so nim.
Me say kura me nim.
Say yes sensitization.
Me kura ya me gina hai. Me nyina duru say. If I walk in and I'm sure nim sa me do nti ama me hu say me de ade no be punch wo. It just say municipal no majuma pa no say mo ho say vulnerable so no. I am said here.
Disables no.
Disables.
Omo the letter ba. Oh, your form be ya de ma omo. Assemblyman. Our community betimi assign.
Na assemblyman for Kroma.
Pachan. We are disabled. Na ya
assemblyman omo Kroma.
Pachan.
Sa omo so majuma na say.
Oh, so with the disables, no, your ma form, your disabled form, I am.
Okay.
I'll be feel it. Now what your letter attach it. Now they will picture just the way you're disabled. I come. Now the amount assemblyman, now what shows say I'm part of community, in the community.
Okay.
Now if you analyze it, committee or disabled committee or every district, every municipal. Now and maybe at some money if I'm any disabled person, no, my idea one panel.
So for you, what did I say? Municipal more ebua friends vulnerables. What is what you will be Kroma?
Bishop Martino partially. It is a bribia tremono na disabled for common found.
Yeah.
District common found. Yes. Percentage.
Percentage. Okay.
But who said how much as upon Tias.
Yeah.
Okoye dida ma yema no note ma ode call baby ana omo
omotino
ama yema on bibi kakra.
Okay.
But on say adusua no eni akiri sa say near all can say disabled for generally
and vulnerables
any ade no
say nkokora ene mrewa say your nkrofo yetua moka Ghana ha modwuma no say mo behwe vulnerables.
Yeah, be your
and I into Yamoka and I volunteer service. Your mamma card them
with Pacha Davy.
Your mama officer air conditioning room.
Pacha,
not with him. Would and you're not in your bar here. But you see, I do way best spark a very good conversation because you see, I'm totally lost. I'm totally lost. Because maybe, but them need be, baby, I'm a found. I nearly. So we live in a community where we have municipal. They must take a look at all this. Oh, unam kwan abodam fo a ejina loro kwan ho. Machu ni anaju jina. Now they are getting closer to you. So that municipals no you tria moka. Anya wona America. So for near my people near the Akosha buying. I don't think I'm very concerned. But and then you know Shebenim I say me yeah kaya wada de kemo nyosa and they to four board and to four board but we will come to that.
Okay, sir.
The entire mini aba na medofi wa hai bibia edapono so a ye percent na metro men safre no oba my office nra no nkwa na me ho no minim no da but ade no beto be nim no na say because me panacho omra na ye ni ho nkomo abranti wa bia wanom wia no wanom cocaine no wanom niema na why addicted oye ne maame baba ko pe
Jesus Christ.
The only child. And you know, me say, oh yeah, me dofo. Say, we dear chiri, lady dear chiri, a seek opportunity to meet me. Na say, you meet me and buano because somebody they call.
Rehabilitation Center.
Yeah.
House of St. Francis Rehabilitation Center, Shaman.
Say you be beer, so be enom drugs and also and some real so count. So be a rinsan or ya addicted. Say you are rehab be a bit me do a call. Now I'ma take you through the process, you know. Nyamia ya dum. It will be kind of na me say any patch of me in share. And until I say municipal but send you see dear chiri na and now time my mind no buy so na me preach into mutwa ya and no me feno touch me heart. So I love you by force. What?
Thank you, sir.
It was a American municipal. I was when you're comfortable, so Papa, me say no, baby, I can't God. Obi actually, baby, Rita was say, I am even surprised at what she is saying. Everyone is pretending to be working for just the. Okay, all right. Okay, yes. So yes, you sent to you. Auntie, I guess a good morning, Daddy. Thank you for bringing this lady on your show today. Mami, I'm making last week. I'm in a conversation with her. The bar, a friend say challenges. No, there be Madam, my bad girl, no, or buy her. Yes, and the community is not doing anything. Municipal or apply for support. No, it take you 1 year. It take you 1 year. No, sika the money 800 and something. In even 1,000. Now, are you grateful? Say, I be a shall see free baby. But then, many are buying me by name Madam for her dear. On no one has swab branch issue. No. A tree on one case can one me office. On a better here, and I'm telling you, I'm touched because I also a dear a branch and a call rehab. Center. Yes, what's it? How are you?
St. Francis, House of St. Francis.
House of St. Francis. Are you Catholic for Diana? Wow, rehab. Ewa shaman. Oya oba. Winimuno. Oya obusiani. But then we take a burden upon yourself.
It is
sending come about office. What cancel one more we take away what jam no my menos obey them. Why?
It's a responsibility of our office to make sure that such people are helped because it has become a public problem, a public health problem because he's the only child of the mother. And then from SS, when I conducted the investigative reports, I realized he started the thing from SS. And he's now 32 years. And the mother has made all efforts.
Senior high.
Senior high, secondary technical B.
Okay. And one man is a wedding fear, do you say?
32 years.
32 years. And why are they? Why are addicted?
But what is happening is the Nimguasia a brand mamma, baby mamma for 10 good years. Yet soon a mamma mother container in so time a minute simena. Now, me many to 2 mamma shares and Kayam mamma.
That's right.
And think I may try now my baby or Beco Biano soon.
Oh,
my mini niska me wie you say oh the person me be onya moa so minisika me ba ofrem ne pa miniska nti ye be ya ne den emoa be ne betimi aye de aboa me be nti obi anjime mposa me ntina ne fie because me be wie ade na ya bono na me omu di mechi sisi me area mu me ba nti obi wie ade ya say me be me wo ha na me yem hyehye me tese obi bo me pon ana me yem ahye me nim se me be na asakoye bone se area de na ba se bia bibini ni cocaine ni we know no nti bibi kitwe bi eda ho bia na wafa na wakotom
so wo pe bia nom
no wafa na wakotom no wafa na
because that time bia na me hu age and we started radio Joy FM how you answer the same answer Joy FM dey so was we nim na wonam tema kwan so what na came kwatema shame on you.
Oh my God.
But you bought him, my and you make just the uncatema.
Bishop, when you say Adom Crawford, that's a cotem.
What for a car quatema? All catch you became Nesu Brino, yes, and about. Tell how much a pan and no through Miss Minfield, with the wooden Brahma break crowd now, or from say why you're. It is part of life. Now, Kiki Jane, in fact, Kiki Jane said, "Yeah, buano for yeah rehab on Kiki, what jadi wanuafa? Or be fast here because okupebiano, okupebiania." Into the whole cancer mamene femono, it is true. Yes. It is true.
It has become a community problem.
Yes.
Now the whole community is always disturbed because this guy, when you open your door, he will come in. Just yesterday, the mother was narrating to me how he went to steal somebody's television, and then they brought him to the house, beating. And then it is not as if the mother has not done all she can. She has taken him to Pantine. It's a psychosocial problem that needs to be solved systematically. And then this mom has done all she can, but she only takes him to places that she can afford.
Okay.
But
because
now,
for rehab now you're very expensive.
Wako Rema rehab, wako Pantine,
wako Rema cry.
Wako anu wejane.
So oti dimo bino yesese ye boa no no watete ahomanum. Eti o boa no watete ahomanum. No asan akọ.
They will detox him, then treat him and take him through a series of counseling so that he becomes a stable person. But he doesn't finish the process and then he runs away. The mother even showed me a picture of a situation where they were returning from Pantine and the son was looking so neat. But he goes back into the community where he's influenced by friends and then returned back to his normal life. But what is making it a good thing right now is that with the House of St. Francis, their security is very tight.
Okay.
So we have looked into it, and we have also realized that they specialize in what he's addicted to.
Okay.
So by God's grace, if we're able to get him there, they will be able to do a good job, and then he would be strictly supervised.
And you free so.
Me picture
the before what can you no you pese ya boa no so you free.
Me picture
Na assembly no ya muni sikegu ho amode boa.
Pacho da on say now ka assembly say nkofo bebre was streets so
yeah
ejuma yende sensitization na say yakọ hospitals ni yakọ community development omo ejuma attach to community development omo ejuma yeti omo ka pan say sensitization mama community ni hu say mo abi wo ba bia aban ebetimi dia boa omo
na omo ha omo Ghana
me pacho omo
community day
me pacho community development
omo ko school
me pacho
any am office any car any omo team
yeah, hono money the municipal assembly baby am one day any car.
But I say ya employ woman.
The omuka field ekoye sensitization.
Good.
But resources no do the number of people that we have to reach out to. And so we do what we can, but we are sometimes some of us has to dip our money in our pockets and give money to vulnerable people. The resources are not enough. But I believe the government is trying, but I believe that the community as individuals in communities to have to come in so that we would support a good cause as this. Yes, please. The resources.
Oh my God. No. I also I mean to me and to say is okay. Auntie Rose, my mama dear. I know what she stands for, and right. So rehab center no can be say if we want to help such a young man. On your young was 32 dear. Yes, the only son.
Yes, please.
The only son and the only child. Wow.
It's for the entry. They have a detox section that they have to do to get all the
Katrina count.
But more detoxification process be on the be film.
Okay.
In drone
one system no more.
And no cost 2,930 cedis.
No one no. Akodoro sadie woni mu no.
Na your treatment sections and so on.
Enti ye nduro no wie so na ya san treat you. Na ye ma waduane di.
It's a boarding house. Enti ye better turn boxes, pillowcases, bed sheets.
Entade ne bibia.
Niama obehia wo ho because obetena ho kakra
be ye na say no obetena.
We are estimating 6 months, but sometimes depending on how long the
one no ma de na che ono so de so abo degree wo mu one no ma che o se so ye masters kran ko benya se na wo je hu dia ene wa ya che
age mate inti me I'm looking at the fact that who say watch him.
Nti as I see a boano na otimi epie free mu. Mo assembly na ya ade na won so wa ya ade se ne a watu ho anamo na emefe pa. Nti ebe cost yen se ye be boano. Eti abusiafo eno nti na mekasa tenten ne tietie nyina ne se ye be boa na ye education no ye nyina nso na ye tena yensa e wo se ne a meka ye no because ye education na sika nso so nni ho a na obi atwere ne sesi a no after all the sensitization there is not enough funds to cater for a vulnerable in the society. Why so sensitive? So sensitive, and that is why once so we team now hwe no nyankopon amount 10 cedis and 20 cedis and 100 cedis and 1,000 cedis and medeminia by I'm also addicted with radio. I need you when you're serious what when you're serious serious matter just ask me now no minimum kwaya akabaye rade pa why addicted to so brother gago well why what can we do a Catholic for so dear and it's not free now if it's a Kenya free who am I so now I want to asem free say
even for being able to set
it up no also you applaud one.
Yes, they need to be applauded. Oh, now Bishop Senia Inua Bay Adia Sebi Enya no Hunipa.
Yes.
Now or say my family what to say. If I were in her shoes.
Yes.
Mameno.
Yes.
So your bad time now Koniema say more.
Yes.
Nyasem papa.
Nyasem ketwa.
Because emrebia now was oh yeah a year uma me fa rosin and pre.
Na me ye den ya. So for je de bia so so me de man addicted ba na me nom me ma me hunu se me nom
se ni ambre ntem
no fa rosary
ehunu bi pentro
Maria tina wo bi kan roman fo asema na me dwa no
na nyo mo na asete rehab se du ba bia na ye dwa ye ni sa
ma me ye fan rosary no si obabu Maria bua bio bua enti ye onyum bi bua ye eno Mary bua ye obabu Mary bua ye hia mo wa Mary ye hia so waje ene na obehwe ase
Bishop Owusu-Ansah.
Yes, sir.
For Yesu din sheho.
That be so Yesu mame.
Na ya nko ya ntokwa no.
Boaye obebu Mary boaye. Boaye eno Mary boaye. Ye hiya mo wa o Mary. Hey, yeah.
Nti Bishop yemi abe wa ya de. But ya ebema na kuma ato ne yempa.
Ene se ye beboa. Okay, so you need brebre. So my darling, yeah. Okay, Anna was Austria. It's free. Austria be free, but I had the free. Austria be free.
Brochure no crowd a way that we can show it.
Yes.
They have a brochure with the costs.
Yes.
And everything.
Yes. I mean Sunday, you are tired time, no. But what we do tomorrow we can continue.
Okay.
And then we give the detail, so everybody must see what we are talking about.
Yes,
and yes, Sabisika, ye penny, ye gu ye butum. Are you a Sunday, my wife?
I'm a prospectus.
Near my woman here, and to no we na obey addicted. Ebusian na from sir, and not from sir. Or no we num cocaine. Any tramos also crowd benum. Obi says Joshua say one more number you're saying. So people are concerned. But you must send you now. Oh, okay. Any budget. Bajina Jumana the area, Jumana Yatama, so but Jumana the area. And so, Abusia from Muti Edamase, when you are the next dimension.
Oh, yes, Bishop, Usofu Peniba or Holland, once a woman a babe programmer or say, or no, the Ansani or Kudri and the Osineta you.
Yeah. I Dr. Rafik. They were not there. Holland, no, that or the street him. No, you get to boy. Yes. What's your brochure? Or you're addicted to extend that. Dr. Rafik, you say, you're a pastor. Or come to church where you cry and thank God. Yes. It's Abrabona could do baby, sir. Na you didn't see Christo ni power, resurrection power, pana. My God, it wasn't easy. But a radiatum, and nyame suffocacy. It ye bay, ye bet me a buana. Bet me a telephone number. Yent me for your number, so the bay am one bit me, but more update here how things are going. Bacho
0247 45
if I talk about the Ensan Canabacor 0247
45
44
90 0245 0247 45 44 90. And the name is Princess. So now person me want to send another day and na babon. Princess. So Princess na edino ebepie be pa chow. Yemwana yenko ye bay emwa. Na a come next dimension approach here. We want to help such a boy. 32 years. Na
just next dimension.
Yeah.
Aside nyam semo a wo delivered no.
Yes.
Ope say nyam mfa wo so.
Yes sir.
Na abranti nso
yes, no one call the next dimension. On say but them ni bia yesu shia no. O ma na ye delivered.
Yes.
We ye deliver no or reach out to 10 cities.
So say enra next dimension take different dimension.
Different dimension. It was.
Enti enemenim nyame be.
Eish enra nehu. Enra me hwesa chese me say nyankopon ogusu ye ni nyame o.
Oh yes.
Nyame ogusu ye ni nyame. Nyame de nsa keka na mada. And anadwe it is going to be another level. Enti mpese ye boa ye bay me sheda ne ya ne maame nam kwam a wo babatometo ye time so. But ye nua bay ya ono ye adwuma wo municipal yi na aginemu a ye ka branch a ye addicted demon na do dore no nanso so ye betumi aboa no na ye na ko rehab ewo ye House of Saint Francis Ashamai na ohwe bill no a
she was talking to a security officer where she's Kebi.
Okay.
na minim se about.
Oh yeah. Oyirai na. Officer Adom ede watema. Ti wakọ na obi ba ho. Obi ba ho. Such people we need to award you. Such people. 7 na municipal na adwuma no de beka ho asem. Yansan ka number ne bio abusia for 0247 45 44 90. Bibacho o ma me 1000 insa, o ma me 100 insa, o ma me euros insa, o ma me dollars insa. Ababa wa ile be kwa kwesi no oye no kwafo nke ye mfa ne number eti obe update ye de ekobia no obe update ye na ye nyina no yetimi aboana ye ban ne ye ofase wabe problem ama community enti ye nyina ye mmoa so for you person can be
oh na me ka se china week pepepe nso na wo ofa
ana makan kra na makan sata na wa asempa dwagum manfo frefre no mbaro maame no maame no onyanru ha but wadru ha yata maso ochina no aba so say abrante wa shaba takari tuntum onsa ka first na obi shaba takari tuntum anan ko kokom but
Abamba joye wajima
next dimension
and butu
ochina ye jinem papa mbacho ma etiefo nti so ochina ye jinem
CJ
yeah papa ochina no de tine say epacho my father's house ochina me ni CJ ejinim CJ beto nyom I am back in prayer enti papa mo mu se ye ba ozo boje
ye remoni mpa
mine is prayer obiane ne de
papa be create
what are they enya you crowd
oh papa na se nyame afre me
ese fokrawa
hey and you princess sabo number be any yanko
0247
yes please 45 44 90 ubia mfrele yinko pegeli of course when you need owoma to wenye mumbu wana ma ye ni abrise fe na oh darling the way you talk your voice was
papa nyame bibia hye o